And the winners of tonight's game are the following. Anong game mo, Sel? Guess who?
Guess who?
Guess who?
The third prize is...
The third prize is Justin. Ta-da! Yay! And you got what?
I got
Wow! What's the prize?
$10 gift card.
Okay, alright, cool.
And the winner, Loida.
Yeah!
I needed money. That's what I needed.
Since she doesn't want to cook, she got a $30
Wow!
gift card.
Wow!
To eat somewhere.
Trick, dalawang adiche. Kaya hindi na perfect.
Very observant. Congratulations, all winners. You know us very well. What about Lester? Lester, how many did you get? 7?
I have 7 points.
Lester deserves a prize.
Longhorn.
Longhorn Steakhouse.
Wait. Loida, runner-up si Lester. Awan naman.
Ay, gano'n. Mga
Wala na, para kay Lester. 7 is good. 6 is fail, lousy. But 7 is good.
I didn't even pay attention. And this one is 2. What the? Mel, you got 2.
Oh, you have to give us. You don't know us? Did you?
Adopted niya. Yan ang adopted.
I can't believe you. And you stayed with us.
Bigyan mo kasi Maris.
Uy, kailangan.
Pamatay ako. Mali pa siya. Mali pa. Hindi niya nakuha. Sabi niya. Hindi niya nakuha. Oh my God, teacher.
Sabi ko talaga mga adopted ang DJ, oh.
Alam ko si DJ yan eh. Nguso niya. Si DJ to. Tama ako si DJ. Tama sa Nakataon. Hindi ko ito naulang iba kasi sabi nila isa lang. Sabi nila alam ko si test ko. Dito nagkamali ako kasi dalawang picture niya. Tinan mo. Sabi ko si DJ to.
Lester.
Lester, ano eh? How many does
7.
Lester get? 7.
Ba't teacher nawala ako?
And he got 8.
Hindi ko ito nawala. Test iba. Hindi ko nawala para siya.
That's good. You're good.
I can tell by the mouth.
Did you guess this one?
Yeah, that's the
Oh, you got that one? I know
You have
him.
to take this.
I know that one.
You want this from January?
And back then. Right back there. Ano yan?
Did you? Dalawa ka dyan, did you?
Wala na? That's it?